Time series analysis. Time series analysis is a specific way of analyzing a sequence of data points collected overall an interval of time. In time series analysis, analysts record data points at consistent interval over a set period of time rather than just recording the data points intermittently or randomly. However, this type of analysis is not merely the act of collecting data over time. What sets time series data apart from the data is that the analysis can show how variable changes over the time. So in other words, time is crucial variable because it shows how the data adjusts over the course of the data points as well as the final results. It provides an additional source of the information and set order of dependencies between the data. What could be the benefits of time series analysis? It helps organization understand the underlying causes of trends or systematic patterns over time. When organization analyze data over consistent interval, they can also use time series forecasting to predict the likelihood of future events like seasonal or cyclic behavior, which provides a better understanding of data variable and helps forecast better. Time series analysis is used for non-stationary data, things that are constantly fluctuating over a time or affected by time. Industries like finance, retail, and economics frequently use time series analysis because currency and sales are always changing. Lastly, stock market analysis is an excellent example of time series analysis in action, especially with automated trading algorithms. I'll give you certain examples of time series analysis, that is weather data, rainfall measurement, temperature reading, heart rate monitoring, EKG, brain monitoring, EEG, quarterly sales, stock prices, automate stock trading, industry forecast, and interest rates. So there are several models also involved in time series analysis. Roughly, I'll tell you what exactly those are. Classification, that is identifying and assigning categories to the data. Then curve fitting, plots the data also a curve to study the relationship of variable within the data. Descriptive analysis identifies pattern in time series like trend, cycle, or seasonal variation. Explanative analysis attempts to understand the data and the relationship between it as well as causes and effect. Exploratory analysis highlights the main characteristics of the time series data, usually in a visual format. Forecasting predicts future data. This type is based on historical trends. It uses the historical data as a model for future data, predicting scenarios that could happen along future plot points. Intervention analysis studies how an event can change the data. Lastly, segmentation as a model splits the data into segments to show the underlying properties of the source information.